Rhodes is the largest island of the Dodecanese in Greece, known for its sunshine, history, and breathtaking coastline. This island blends ancient wonders with lively modern charm. You will find medieval walls, winding alleys, sandy beaches, and crystal blue waters. Rhodes has been home to knights, merchants, and travelers for centuries, leaving behind castles, ruins, and myths. Today, it is one of the most popular destinations in the Aegean Sea, offering culture, relaxation, and beauty at every turn. The medieval Old Town of Rhodes is a living museum where history comes alive. Surrounded by stone walls and towers, this UNESCO World Heritage Site feels like stepping back into the Age of Knights. Cobbled streets lead to hidden squares, charming shops, and traditional taverns. The Palace of the Grand Master stands proudly at the heart, while the Street of the Knights tells stories of the Crusaders who once walked here. With its mix of Gothic, Ottoman, and Italian influences, the Old Town offers an unforgettable journey through centuries of culture and legend. The Palace of the Grand Master of the Knights of Rhodes is one of the most iconic landmarks on the island. Built in the 14th century by the Knights of St. John, this massive fortress was both a defensive stronghold and a royal residence. Inside, grand halls and mosaic floors reveal the power and wealth of the order. The palace was later restored by the Italians, adding even more character to its design. Walking through its chambers and courtyards, you can feel the atmosphere of medieval Rhodes and imagine the life of the knights who once ruled here. The Acropolis of Lindos rises high above the sea, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and the village below. This ancient site is a treasure of Greek history, with layers of civilizations that left their mark. At its heart stands the Temple of Athena Lindia, dating back to the 4th century before Christ. Surrounding it are remains of Byzantine walls, Hellenistic structures, and medieval fortifications built by the Knights of St. John. The climb to the top takes you through winding paths and whitewashed houses, making the journey as magical as the destination itself. Quinn Bay is one of the most beautiful beaches in Rhodes, famous for its emerald waters and dramatic rocky surroundings. The bay takes its name from the Hollywood actor Anthony Quinn, who filmed here in the 1960s. With pine trees reaching down to the shore and crystal-clear waves, it feels like a natural paradise. The small coves and underwater scenery make it a favorite spot for swimming and snorkeling. Whether relaxing on the beach or exploring the sea, this bay offers a perfect escape in a stunning Mediterranean setting. Tsambika Beach is a long stretch of golden sand surrounded by gentle hills and clear blue waters. It is one of the most popular beaches on Rhodes, offering plenty of space to relax under the sun. The shallow sea makes it perfect for families, while water sports and beach bars add energy and fun for visitors of all ages. Above the beach stands the Monastery of Panagea Tsambika, which gives the area its name and offers stunning views. With its warm sand, calm waves, and beautiful setting, Tsambika Beach is a true island paradise. Tsambika Monastery sits high on a hill above the east coast of Rhodes, offering breathtaking views of the sea and the surrounding landscape. The climb to the top is steep, with almost 300 steps, but the reward is unforgettable. The small whitewashed chapel is dedicated to the Virgin Mary and is an important place of pilgrimage for locals. Legend says prayers here have brought blessings to families for generations. With its peaceful setting, spiritual atmosphere, and panoramic views, Tsambika Monastery is both a sacred site and a perfect place for reflection. Lindos Village is one of the most picturesque places on Rhodes, known for its whitewashed houses, narrow alleys, and stunning coastal views. At the foot of the Acropolis, the village charms visitors with its traditional architecture and lively atmosphere. Rooftop terraces offer views of the sea, while small shops sell handmade crafts and local delicacies. Donkeys still walk the streets, adding to the timeless character of the village. By day, it feels bright and full of life, and by night, the village glows with a warm, romantic atmosphere, making Lindos a true jewel of the island. A boat trip to Symi Island is a journey through crystal blue waters and scenic coastal landscapes. Symi is famous for its colorful neoclassical houses that climb the hillsides above the harbor. On the island, you can stroll along narrow streets, visit historic monasteries, and enjoy fresh seafood by the sea. The calm waters around Symi are perfect for swimming and snorkeling, making the trip both relaxing and adventurous. Sailing to this charming island offers a unique perspective of the Dodecanese and a chance to experience traditional Greek island life far from the crowds. Kallithea Springs is a stunning waterfront complex known for its beautiful architecture and relaxing atmosphere. Built in the 1930s, the site features elegant arches, colorful mosaics, and thermal springs that were once believed to have healing properties. The crystal-clear waters around the area are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Palm trees and flower gardens add to the peaceful charm, while sun loungers invite visitors to relax by the sea. With its blend of history, design, and natural beauty, Kallithea Springs is a serene spot to enjoy the best of Rhodes. Mandraki Harbour is the historic heart of Rhodes, where tradition meets the sparkling Aegean Sea. The harbour is lined with yachts, fishing boats, and charming waterfront cafes. At its entrance stand two iconic statues, known as the Deer of Rhodes, welcoming visitors to the city. The lighthouse adds a touch of classic maritime beauty, while nearby windmills and fortifications hint at the harbour's long history. Walking along the quay, you can enjoy the lively atmosphere, watch boats come and go, and feel the connection between Rhodes' past and its vibrant present.